So you're not necessarily starting from scratch. You're just not starting with a tutorial. You're trying to imitate, intelligent imitation. You're trying to pull from multiple sources to create your own thing. And then as you go and hit sticking points, that's when you learn best. Now with this, you want to study those sources and break down their structure or characteristics. Then outline the project into sections, milestones, images, inspiration, and what you need to know in order to complete it. And then of course, have a place to capture ideas that come to mind, preferably somewhere you don't lose the ideas or forget about them. You can do this in Apple Notes or Todoist or Notion or any of those things. Now, after outlining a project, step 3 is to start with what you know, because learning comes from struggle, not memorization. If you know nothing, at least try to take the first step. Download the software and start playing around. Try to create something, anything. Just get your mind in a state where it's hungry to learn. Otherwise, you probably won't digest the information you search for. Then follow this process. You start, then you don't know what to do. You try and fail. You search for the answer or ask AI. You try to implement the answer. You repeat until the project is complete. And if you can't find the answer, you ask an expert. So a few years ago, Google searching was considered a skill. Being able to type the right things into Google to get the answer that you need, or being able to search Reddit or Stack Overflow if you're a programmer or things like that. Now that AI has all of that information, prompt engineering is becoming the new Google search in a sense. We're going to talk about AI as a skill in the next video and how to learn this prompt engineering that I'm talking about, because it's one of the new modern skills that you can pair with any other skill to future-proof yourself to an extent. Because I believe it was the founder of NVIDIA who said, machines aren't going to replace people. People using machines are going to replace people. So if you learn how to use AI beyond just typing a sentence into it, you're setting yourself up quite well.